Hello students, today we are going to learn a very important writing skill, that is message writing. A message is a short piece of writing which is used to communicate something very important or to give instructions regarding some urgent work. It is generally written in informal tone. Informal tone means a tone which is we use with our friend or our relatives. A message is that writing skill which is used to communicate very important instruction or message to someone who is not present in front of you. Okay? And student, to write any writing skill, you have to follow one fixed format. Now I'm going to tell you about what is the format of message writing. Student, this is the format of message writing. At the top, in the starting, you have to write message word, and this word should be written in capital letter. Then, after after message on your left hand side, you will write date, and the format of date are two three type which are fixed. You have to follow that format only. The most important format which we follow is, first we have to write the date, then month, then comma, then year. After date, you have to write here time. This is the time when you are writing this message. You have to write that time here. Then you have to leave one line, and then you have to write the name of addressee. The addressee is a person to whom you are addressing this message, to whom you are giving this message. This is the body of the message which you are writing to convey your message or instruction. Then again you have to leave one line, and this is the place where you have to write the name of addresser. Addresser is a person who is writing the message. You have to follow this format, and the most important thing is that you have to close this message in box. Each and every part of this message contain separate marks. So you have to follow this format. This is an example of message writing. I am reading for you. You live as a paying guest along with your cousin. You receive a call from your father to inform your cousin about the heart operation of your uncle. The appointment for the operation has been fixed for 9 December 2012, and you have to ask your cousin to reach the hospital as soon as possible. Write a message to your cousin about the operation. Now student, as I have shown you in the starting the format, you have to follow the same format to write this message. In the starting, as I told you, you have to mention here message. This is the place left hand side where you have to mention the date. See, November 19, 2012. I have given you this different date so that you should understand that you have to follow the instruction which is given up in the question. You don't have to write always the date of on which you are writing that. You have to follow the instruction whatever is given in the question. So here you can follow this format also where you are writing the name of month in the starting, the date, then comma and then year. Then below it, you have to write the time when you are writing the message, 6 p.m. Then you have to leave one line. Then you have to write the name of that person to whom you are writing the message, dear cousin. Here you have to write the body of the message. Father called to inform about the appointment for uncle's heart operation. It has been fixed for December 9, 2012. He has asked you to reach the hospital as soon as possible. Then you have to leave line here, and then you have to write name. As I have written here, you leave. It means here your name will come. So I've just mentioned here ABC. And then you have to write this complete matter, and then you have to make this complete box to cover this complete message. Here I am giving you one more example. Your father informed you to convey the message to your mother that he will get late today due to some extra work in office. Write a message to your mother in 40 to 50 words for the same. As we have discussed earlier, also, you have to write the word message in a capital letter in the starting. Then you have to write date here, then month here, and then 2020. See, here I have used your date year. See, different. Then here, timing at which the message is written. Dear mother, when you were at aunt's place, father gave a call. He wants to convey the message that he will come late today due to some extra work in office. I am going for purchasing new copy. Ramesh. Okay. So this is the way in which you have to write message, and then you have to put box to cover this message. You have to write both the messages in your grammar copy. Thank you.